Forgot your Crypto.com password? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to reset it in just a few steps. First, open the Crypto.com app and tap Login. Under the Login fields, tap Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address, then tap Submit. Now, check your inbox for a password reset email from Crypto.com. Open the link in that email and you'll be taken to a secure page where you can set a new password. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. If you're using the Crypto.com exchange on a web browser, just go to the Login page, click Forgot Your Password, and follow the same process. Once your new password is set, head back to the app or website and log in like normal. You may be asked to verify your identity again for security reasons, especially if you have two-factor authentication enabled. If this video helped you out, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more simple crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.